Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like an introduction video as well as explaining why I wanted to make this channel in the first place. So obviously my name is Abria. I recently just changed most of my screen names to Abria Aman, which is the name of this channel. Aman is actually my middle name, and it's crazy because I did not used to like that name growing up just because I know people did not know how to pronounce it right. But Aman is a beautiful black model from the 90s, so I'm grateful to be named after her. So the reason why I wanted to start this channel is to give everybody an opportunity to see like what all South Korea has to offer, because I feel like traveling to another country is something that a lot of people don't get the chance to do. So I'm very grateful and blessed to be able to have this experience. So I wanted to share as much content as I could with you all, just because I know it's gonna be crazy. Like, I can't wait to get out of quarantine. I know I'm gonna see so many different things and learn so much. So I just wanted to be able to share all that with you. And I also feel like, traveling in your 20s, I'm 22. I feel like traveling in your 20s is a major thing, and it's something that everybody should be able to do, because in your 20s, you're finding yourself, you're learning more about yourself, and you're trying to figure out who you want to be, who you want to become, and everything inside of you, and 20s can be crazy. So I just wanted this channel to be kind of like, an experience, a 20s experience, just having a great time. And after I leave here, I plan on continuing the channel and with more travel content, because I actually do travel a lot. So I think this platform would be great to show everybody what all I do, because I actually have been to a couple cool places, and I should have been started a channel, but I just feel like going to a different country, this was the perfect opportunity to start my channel. And I'm very excited, and I want to put out as much content as I possibly can to y'all. So mind you, my editing skills, don't be looking for them. Do not come for me, because if y'all want me to put out as much content as I can, there won't be much editing. So but yeah, this channel is gonna have loads and loads and loads of content. And if you're interested in South Korea, or anything about it, you can comment, DM me on Instagram, anywhere, and let me know where I should go, see what I should do. If it's something that you want to do, I'll go do it for you. Just let me know. So I just want to say thank you to everybody watching, subscribing. Make sure y'all like, comment, share. Let's get this pushed out so everybody can see and experience South Korea with us. So once again, thank you for watching, and be blessed. Okay, so we're gonna open a package. My mom sent me a package here, but they have like restrictions on what you can get brought to you. So they open it beforehand and make sure nothing is in it that's not supposed to be in it. So she got me some ramen. I got 2 of those. And I really just asked for like some Cheez-Its and some crackers. So she got both of those. And she got like some chips in here, some Lysol. I needed this when I first got here, but it's a little too late now. I haven't touched everything in here now. So and some Advil and a tuna kit. So if I don't like the food one day or something. And a 6-pack of water. And that's it. So yeah. But no, I really have been craving like Cheez-Its and crack, like any type of cracker. Like, I've been craving it. I guess just because like it's something you can snack on, and like I'm literally just watching Netflix all day, so I need something to like just snack on. So that is the box she sent me. So thank you very much, Mother, if you're watching this. And I just thought maybe y'all wanted to see what I got, and that's what I got. Oh, it's something she put in here that wasn't allowed because they called me before they brought it up here and told me that something they took out. So I don't know what it was they took out, but they said I can pick it up on my last day. So we'll see what it is then.